Welcome to our video on the all-new 2025 Volvo Motorhome Camper, a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and innovation designed for your ultimate road adventures. Stay tuned as we explore its stunning features, inside and out. Exterior design. The 2025 Volvo Motorhome Camper boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design that sets a new standard in RV aesthetics. Its bold grille, LED headlights, and sculpted lines give it a modern yet rugged appeal. Featuring durable, lightweight materials, this motorhome is built to handle all terrains. Add-ons like retractable awnings, solar panels, and optional roof racks provide both style and functionality. Interior highlights. Step inside to experience Volvo's signature Scandinavian minimalism. The spacious cabin is outfitted with high-quality materials, including sustainable wood and soft leather accents. A smart layout maximizes space with features like a convertible lounge, a fully equipped kitchenette, and a luxurious bathroom. Smart home integration, ambient lighting, and a panoramic skylight add comfort and elegance. Performance. Under the hood, the motorhome is powered by a hybrid powertrain that offers both efficiency and power. With a 2.5L turbocharged engine paired with an electric motor, it delivers a seamless ride with reduced emissions. Advanced suspension ensures smooth handling, while AWD capability makes it ideal for off-road adventures. It also includes a 400-mile range, perfect for long trips. Safety features. Volvo's reputation for safety shines in this motorhome. Equipped with state-of-the-art features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera, your journey will always be secure. Its collision mitigation system and automatic emergency braking provide added peace of mind on the road. Pricing. The 2025 Volvo Motorhome Camper starts at $150,000, with options to customize features and packages. Financing plans and early bird discounts are available for pre-orders, making it more accessible for adventurers seeking luxury.